So you're back. Fine then. Sit down. Let's get into the lesson. Excuse me. You should be honored that a Class S like myself is taking time out of her day to train you. Now sit. Thank you. Now, you want to learn how to be as powerful as me. Well, too bad, that's never gonna happen. But you can always follow in my footsteps and become a shadow? Who knows? Hold out your hands. What is that horrible posture? Hold on. Straighten your spine. Puff up your chest. Be proud. Act like you're happy to be here. In fact, you should be. You should be. Anyways. Focus all your energy and mindfulness into your hands. Do you feel it? Oh, wow. What was that, a little fart of power? Good job, that was like the biggest accomplishment you made. Anyways, I want you to continue focusing on that power. Hold it. Hold it. Oh. You were close, I guess. You want a demonstration? Well, I feel like a demonstration from moi would be a little bit intense. Because, you know, I am extremely powerful. Class S, rank 2. Just a reminder. Excuse me. What's rule number 1 of my class? Never talk back to me. Ever. Just realize that I could pulverize you in literally like a second. A wave of a finger. A blink of an eye. So don't tempt me. You are so persistent. Why do you want a demonstration that bad? Actually, I take that back. I know why you want a demonstration. Because it's me. You know, look at me. I'm amazing. I'm powerful. I'm awesome. So fine, I will grant you your request. Oh, no worries. No charge. A thank you would suffice. Watch and learn. See? So easy. Just like that. Excuse me. Were you even paying attention? You should be extremely happy that I'm taking time out of my day just to do this for you. Well, you did pay me, but you know what I mean. I could have just not accepted your money. I don't need it. Ugh. Why did I ever agree to do this? Look at me. Class S. Wasting my time on something so small and problematic. Ugh. I could be doing something productive. I could be saving the world right now. But no. You're sorry? Well, I don't accept your apology. Fine. I will forgive you this time. Be thankful. I said be thankful. I didn't get paid enough. Anyways, now that you saw a prime example, I want you to try to at least do something similar to that. Listen, I wasn't born one of the best heroes around. In fact, I was just like you at one point. You may not believe that, but it's true. I earned everything that I have with the hard work I gave it. Blood, sweat, and tears. And if you do the same thing, maybe, just maybe, you can become one of us too. It's not impossible. So don't look at yourself that way. I can literally see the insecurity in your eyes. Ugh. You're so bad at hiding secrets. I can read you like an open book. Now, back to practice. Come on, we don't have all day. Now, remember what I taught you. Hold out your hands and focus all your energy. Okay. Come on, come on. You're almost there. There you go. You made yourself a little tornado. Congratulations. No, but seriously, congratulations. This is a pretty big accomplishment after all. Well, for you. A small tornado on your second day of training? Definitely impressive. But we still have a long way to go before you can even consider yourself a hero. Listen, a small tornado is not going to get you into any class. In fact, you know that Saitama guy? Class B hero? You wouldn't even surpass him. He's overpowered. Are you kidding me right now? You're kidding, right? You're joking with me. You know what a joke is, right? Are you playing one of those? 'Cause I really hope you are. Compared to me, I make him look like a fruit fly. A fruit fly. And guess what? He can't even fly to begin with. Did you see how much he struggled against a single mosquito? You say he's all powerful and mighty, yet he couldn't kill a single mosquito? You're gonna give me a massive headache. But before you do, let's change the topic. Okay, what are we doing here again? Right, training. Huh? You're tired? After that little fart of a tornado, you're tired? So be it. We will take a short break. But after that, I'm requiring you to do some physical training, because if a single tornado wears you out like this, you ain't ready. So enjoy this few minutes, because you're about to go through what we go through. We train hard, mentally, physically, and emotionally, and I hope you're ready for that. And this isn't some Class C warm-up. This is Class S, baby. So do every single stretch known to man, because you'll need it. You need a water? Hold on, I'll get it. Here. Take it. Ugh. Don't mention it. Why are you getting so sentimental about a bottle of water? We are doing a lot of physical activity. It's normal to have a lot of fluid. And it's required. So don't get all buddy-buddy just because I got you some water. That's what a regular person would do. In fact, I was thirsty myself, so might as well. So don't get it twisted. I don't like it when you smile like that. It's annoying. Okay, seriously, quit it. You look like a clown. I'm telling you this because you're making yourself look like a fool. But are you less tired now? Ready for practice? I said a short break. Listen, we don't have all the time in the world. In fact, you have a few months until the hero applications are opened. So come on, let's go. I don't want to hear any more complaining for the rest of this session, do you understand me? Even if your bones hurt, your muscles ache, and you feel like quitting, you don't complain. It is one of my biggest pet peeves. Unless I'm doing it, because I have the right to complain. Come on, like, look at me. Now come on, let's go. I want to see 145 push-ups in 2 minutes. Come on, hop to it. The timer is starting. Hi everyone, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I really do hope you enjoyed it. This was a Patreon request from Felix, and I want to thank you so much for supporting me again and just being so patient and amazing. So if you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Again, I hope you had a great day, and I'll see you later. See ya!